Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to explain you the worksheet provided, and the portion that we are going to discuss in this video is the science one. Okay, so for the science it is mentioned that for answers you need to see some kind of pages that is written in front of those particular questions. So for the first question, that is define the following. The first one is you need to define the chlorophyll, and part B is you need to define the xylem and phloem. So for that question, what you need to do, you have first chapter of first unit, that is nutrition in plants. Okay, in nutrition in plants, as you can see, there are various topics defined. There is nutrition, then there is different modes of plant nutrition, photosynthesis, and when we move to the second page of that, there is a photosynthesis. Okay, there is a diagram shown to you, that is figure 1.1, in which there is a photosynthesis. So as we discussed, you need to define the chlorophyll. So what is chlorophyll? Basically, chlorophyll is, there is a pigment present inside the leaves, and for the background I'll explain it to you that photosynthesis is basically the process in which the energy from the sunlight is taken. As you can see, this is the diagram. So whenever there are rays received from the sunlight, leaves is present there, that is leaves are used, which can make the it helps the plants to make the food, and by the help of the process that is required to make those food using the energy of the sunlight is known as photosynthesis. There's text provided to you regarding that it shows sunlight is a major source of energy for photosynthesis. As we all know that plants live outside, there are outside plants and inside as well. So for that, there is sunlight is the major source for making the food for the plants. Then the leaves are the ones that takes the in which the photosynthesis takes place, and these leaves have some special organelles called chloroplast, which contains the green pigment that is known as chlorophyll. So what are chloroplasts? Chloroplast is basically a special type of organelles, and organelles is what? Organelles is basically a tiny cellular structure which performs some kind of functions. So, and in that chloroplast we have a green pigment that is known as chlorophyll. So by giving you the explanation, you can easily answer the question number 1, and for question number 1 there are two separate parts. You can answer question number 1 part A. For question number 2, question number 1 part B, I'll give you an example that you can see there is mentioned that cactus uses does not have any leaves, so the photosynthesis using their green stem. So photosynthesis operation or process is taken place in their green stem. So what according to part B, you need to explain, you need to define the xylem and phloem. For the xylem, we have what is water is absorbed from the soil by small roots, hairs in the ground. As we all know that in the roots there are small hairs in that. If you have seen roots of any kind of plants, you will know okay what we are talking about here. There are special conducting tubes called xylem which carry water to the food making cells in the leaves. So xylem is basically what? These are the special conducting tubes which helps in what? It helps in carrying the water to the food making cells in the leaves. Moving forward, we have is the phloem. So what is phloem? Basically, as you can see, the glucose is then transported through special conducting tubes called phloem of different parts of the plant. So phloem is also a special kind of tube, and what it performs, basically it does is it takes the glucose, and that glucose is basically transported to different parts of the plants.